Yeah, man. That parenting shit. It's heavy. It's heavy. I had a moment of thinking, like, I would have been okay with preferably having a child maybe 10 years ago.
Okay.
Not to say that I wish I did, but the idea came to mind, and I was like,
Because I was about to say, like, at 10 years ago at your current age, or 10 years ago
nah,
at
10 years ago, for real.
Oh, wow. All right.
At that age, I was.
Yeah, I feel you. I was really thinking, like, I needed to have a kid to make my life, like, make sense.
And
like, I wasn't going to actually go towards being the most disciplined version of myself unless I had a kid. That's how I felt when I was, like, 17.
that's not how I felt then. But that's what I understood then, that I didn't have the discipline to be a parent.
That